Everyone, my name is Joyful Judy, and thank you all for joining me. I hope your day is filled with good surprises. Well, everyone, I have this potato salad dish for winter, spring, summer, fall, especially around Christmas. You could use Thanksgiving, even Easter, any holiday is good for this dish, or any day of the week. So let me start with these potatoes, 5 to 10 pound potato. Cut them nice and small, bite sizes. We're gonna use paprika, pepper, and adobo. And then we have 16 eggs, hard-boiled egg, and we're going to cut them up small. And then we have celery. I'm going to dice these up spice sizes. I'm going to put radish. Pickles, I'm going to cut them very small because I like a lot of pickle. We're going to dice these onions up. And I have mayonnaise. And we also have mustard. Quick with the mayonnaise, everyone, make sure we get mayonnaise and not tomato. This make a big difference in our dish. Okay, everyone. Okay, everyone, we have the potatoes ready. It's boiled, and I'm gonna finish with the potato salad. So the first thing I'm gonna put it in, I'm gonna put some relish. Um, I don't really measure anything. I just pull it in like that. And put some water. As much. I'm gonna put the whole jar in because this is a lot. You see, I have a big aluminum pan, and I want to put as much relish as I can into this. I'm gonna put some more in here. Yes, I don't really measure things. Just go. Then I'm gonna put the onions in. Just throw in there. Um, and the pickles, just pickles, lots of pickles in the potato salad. Can you see, everyone? Trying to make it straight. And also, I'm gonna put these eggs in it. I have lots of eggs. Remember all those eggs I told you about earlier? And cut them up. I like to cut the eggs up small because everything when you make your potato salad, you want people to kind of guess what's in your potato salad. And here are the celery. And I cut the celery very small because you want to get that crunch without knowing, say, hey, what's that delicious flavor? Celery. Okay, and then I'm going to put some mustard in this potato salad. Let's add some mustard. Uh, get that spice in it. Get a little spice in your life right here. And then, okay, now I'm going to put some paprika. Paprika, right there, right? After me, then put some adobo. It's like that. Adobo has salt in it, so you don't really need to put salt in this because you don't want it salty because you got all that flavor into the potato salad. I add my peppers in it. Okay, got to twist it a little bit more. Pepper, okay. And last but not least, we're gonna add the mayonnaise. Okay, we're gonna add a good amount of mayonnaise, everyone. Okay, this potato salad needs a lot of mayonnaise. It's gonna be so good. Okay, can I add some more of this mayonnaise in here? Come on, just see this amount I have, and some more mayonnaise, and more. Just you want it because good consistency all over. And one more time, and then we're gonna stir this potato salad up. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the rest of the relish inside of here. I have some more relish inside this jar. I want to get everything out this jar. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the spoon out of my jar, and I'm gonna pour the rest of it in this jar on top of it. I want everything. We want to get everything into this potato salad. We want to make sure that all the ingredients come out of here. Okay, so thank God it's made with lots of love. And so now here's the good part, the fun part, everyone. I'm going to start stirring this potato salad together. So we take the spoon and we slowly just turn it. Just stir it with a lot of love. Keep stirring. Make sure everything is tossed and stirred. You gotta stir this. You gotta make sure all the ingredients. Just take your time while you're stirring this. You see? You're gonna keep on stirring this potato salad to everything stirred and make sure all the eggs, the celery, the mustards, the onions, the paprika, the black pepper, the adobo, the pickle. You want all the eggs. You want all that flavor to get in there. Look, I'm gonna add some more mayonnaise in here. Because I see everything's going consistency good, but I know it needs some more mayonnaise, but I'm going to just want to make sure I get everything together. It's going to stir up. And usually I get my daughter to taste test it and to taste test it before, I go out. But this is so pretty. Oh, wow. This is going to be so good. It's going to be the best hit when you go out there and when whoever house you're going to or whoever you're making this for, I'm telling you, they're going to ask you to make it all the time. It's such a delicious treat to make this potato salad. And you're going to keep stirring. Consistency is the key, everyone. You want to make sure every part you stir of this potato salad. Okay, so I'm going to keep stirring it, and then I'm going to come back and show you the final results. Hey everyone, this is the final results of the test. I just want you to get to see it. Okay, and I'm going out now and just to give it out today. And I just want to say thank you all for watching and listening, and enjoy Thanksgiving. Have a wonderful, blessed time today. I love you all. Thank you for watching and listening. Until next time, don't forget God is good. And I love you. Joyful Judy, love you all. Thank you for watching and listening, and enjoy your day. Bye-bye.